Hello and welcome back to the channel. This week has been a very exciting week when it comes to Curry's Fun Park Portrush, with two very exciting developments. The first is that on Monday it was announced that the lease of Curry's had been extended by another 15 years, meaning that the park will continue to operate until 2047. This is fantastic news, not only to us that we get to keep Ireland's oldest amusement park, but it's also brilliant for the economy of Portrush. Local businesses heavily rely on the footfall generated by Curry's. It also means we should continue seeing heavy investment in the park, as we've seen over the past 4 seasons. Now, talking about investments, let's move on to the reason you clicked on this video. On Sunday, the day before the lease announcement, it was announced that Pinball X, a Zamperla spinning coaster, had been sold from Flamingo Park in Hastings to Curry's. Now, you might remember back in 2023, the rumours that were spread about Curry's buying Rieger's Crazy Mouse that ended up being false. Well, this is 100% true. Several of Curry's lorries have been spotted on site, and if you still don't believe me, the people dismantling the coaster are literally wearing Curry's high vis. It can't be any more obvious than that. As I'm making this video on the 30th of September, 80% of the coaster has been dismantled, so I would say the ride will be catching the ferry to Northern Ireland at the weekend. For those wondering the history of Pinball X, the coaster actually isn't that old, opening for the first time in 2018 at Dreamland in Margate as part of a 9-ride package from Zamperla. The Zamperla Spinning Mouse is the company's take on the Revachon Spinning Mouse, and to be honest, they are pretty much identical, apart from the cars, which feature a different restraint design. At Dreamland, Pinball X didn't last very long there, and it was removed at the end of the 2020 season. It was then sent to Flamingo Park in Hastings, a small seaside park, and opened there in 2021. And it is now getting ready to make its journey over to the island of Ireland. Although I haven't been on the Zamperla Spinning Mouse, I have been on 2 Revachon versions, being Wilmot's Crazy Mouse and Cedric's Crazy Coaster. It appears to me though that the Zamperla version does ride slightly different compared to the Revachon version, so it'll be interesting to compare the 2 models. But I think it'll be a great addition at whatever Curry's park it's installed at. Now that moves us on to our next question. Which park is Pinball X for? I would just like to add a disclaimer now that we are now entering the unconfirmed information territory, so please do not take any of the stuff I say as actual factual news. At the end of the day, this is just an enthusiast speculation. Back to the video. To be honest, I'm on the fence about which park it can go to, but I do feel like it's more than likely going to be for Portrush, seeing the large scale of the ride. It will definitely go in the spot where Aqua Valley was positioned, and Aqua Valley will get moved to Salt Hill. Talking about Aqua Valley, it has been quite a poor season for it this year, with it being more closed than open. From the looks as well, the ridership has plummeted on it, as most days the weather hasn't been the best, and on the days when the weather has been good, it's been closed because of the previously mentioned mechanical issues. However, it is also worthy to note that Pinball X could potentially be for Salt Hill, but seeing as Salt Hill doesn't have the same crowds as Portrush has most days, it would make more sense for Pinball X to go to Portrush, as they will probably make a higher return on their investment. If you're a fan of Aqua Valley, I would try getting your last rides in during this month, just in case it does go. As mentioned before, I think it will be destined for Salt Hill. However, Salt Hill will have to remove an attraction in order to fit it in. However, if it doesn't do very well in Salt Hill, I can see the ride getting sold within the next 5 to 10 years. Like I said before, all of this is just my own speculation. However, I do feel like Aqua Valley's removal is imminent. It's a no-brainer to put Pinball X in Portrush. Now, what are your thoughts on Curry's buying Pinball X? Where do you think it's going to end up? This off-season looks like it'll be very exciting, so stay tuned for updates throughout the winter. I promise I will do more than one update this time. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.